Should you drink lemon water every day? Is it true that it improves your body's health, or is it just a trend? Despite what you may have heard, lemon water does work, but maybe not for the reasons you think. So what are the real reasons why you should be drinking lemon water every day? What are the myths surrounding lemon water? And what are the possible downsides? That's the topic of today's video. What are the 7 benefits lemon water can bring to your health, and the 2 possible risks? Stay tuned. You'll see that a small change in your routine can make a big impact on your health. But before we continue, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss our health tips, and share this video with as many people as possible through WhatsApp, Facebook, and Telegram. Let's spread quality information to as many people as we can. Share it now. Tell me, do you drink lemon water every day? Have you tried it and then stopped? Where are you from? In Brazil or the world? Write it down below. 7 benefits of lemon water. Let's go. How does lemon water improve your health? How can something as simple and inexpensive as lemon water contribute to your body's health? What are the 7 benefits? Is 7 benefits of lemon water for your health? 7th benefit. Lemon water can reduce fat in the liver. 7th benefit of lemon water for your body. Is that true? Yes, but not because lemon will clean your liver cells. A person who drinks lemon water avoids other types of sugary drinks, such as boxed juices, sodas, or even natural juices. And keep in mind that sugary drinks like soda, juices, coffee, and tea with sugar are the main sources of added sugar in the diet. Replacing orange juice with lemon water for breakfast, for example, will indeed reduce fat in the liver. Orange juice is tasty, but it is extremely high in calories and will spike your blood glucose due to its high fructose content, and the excess can be stored in the liver. It's different from eating an orange, because, firstly, you're unlikely to eat 5 oranges at once. Even if you do, you'll eat slowly, chew the pulp, and only then swallow. Additionally, juice loses the fibers you would ingest if you ate the orange. And on top of that, lemon is low in calories. A glass of lemon water contains less than 10 calories, whereas orange juice would have double the calories and about 3 times more fructose. If you want to reduce liver fat, start today, because it really can speed things up. Of course, it has to be combined with physical exercise, eating fewer refined carbs, avoiding sugar, corn syrup, and fructose, and all the other things I mentioned in the video about liver fat, which has over 3 million views. If you haven't watched it, check it out. I'll leave the link at the end of the video. 6th benefit that lemon water brings to your health. 6th benefit, it can improve your skin. Lemon has 2 important things for skin health: vitamin C and flavonoids. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, which gives your skin elasticity and prevents sagging and expression wrinkles. But it's not just for your skin. Collagen is also in your joints and bones. But pay attention. You need to squeeze the lemon right before drinking, because vitamin C breaks down over time and is sensitive to heat. Squeeze the lemon just before drinking. Leaving your lemon water in the fridge overnight will cause the vitamin C to degrade. Besides helping with collagen, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects skin cells from the effects of free radicals, preventing cell damage caused by oxidation. It's the same process that causes rust. Free radicals accumulate on the skin from air pollution and UV radiation from the sun and artificial light. Now, 1 lemon only has about 20 to 25% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C. Fruits like guava, acerola, and kiwi have more vitamin C than lemon. So, if you eat plenty of fruit, you won't need lemon water. Flavonoids in lemon also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Plus, if you're dehydrated, your skin will look more shriveled and drier. For these 3 reasons, lemon water helps your skin. 5th benefit of lemon water for your body. 5th benefit, protects against kidney stones. Lemon water helps prevent certain types of kidney stones, which, as you know, are extremely painful. How? First, you drink more water, and water prevents crystals from growing into stones. Dehydration is a common cause of kidney stones. First, positive point. The second point is that lemons are rich in citrate. Citrate has significant effects on both calcium oxalate and calcium phosphate, inhibiting the growth of these crystals. 80% of stones are made of calcium oxalate. Additionally, citrate paradoxically makes your urine more alkaline, meaning it raises the pH of your urine, which can even break up small stones. If you've had kidney stones before, or are prone to them, I'd recommend drinking lemon water every day, at least twice a day. Fourth benefit that lemon water brings to your health. Fourth benefit, improves digestion. Drinking lemon water before meals can help promote and improve digestion. This is because the citric acid found in lemon juice increases the secretion of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, allowing your body to properly digest food. This is important for older people, as they tend to produce less stomach acid. Additionally, it boosts peristalsis, which are those contractions or waves that help move food through the digestive tract. Another benefit is that vitamin C helps absorb iron from your diet. Low iron levels can lead to anemia, making you feel weak, tired, and unfocused. Third benefit of lemon water for your body. Third benefit, may boost immunity. Vitamin C also helps the immune system. Since lemons are rich in vitamin C, they improve the immune system and have antiviral and antibacterial properties. Researchers have also found that lemon water reduces intestinal dysbiosis, keeping the good bacteria in the gut alive. Our gut is linked to our immunity and prevents many diseases. Second benefit, hydration dose. Lemon water count toward your daily water intake, of course. Staying hydrated is extremely important for our health, and we know many people struggle with dehydration. Most of us don't drink enough water. I made a specific video about water and how important it is for your health. Adequate water intake is key for metabolism, digestion, and detoxification. Many people don't like water because it's flavorless, so adding lemon to enhance the flavor can help increase water consumption. I start my day by drinking 3 glasses of water. It gives me a lot of energy. Lemon water is an easy way to start the day on the right foot. In addition to hydration, lemon contains potassium, which helps prevent cramps, muscle weakness, and even heart arrhythmias. Of course, if you have kidney problems, you should talk to your nephrologist to see if you can increase your water intake and whether the extra potassium might be harmful. First benefit, may help with weight loss. Here's what I mentioned about liver fat. Lemon water won't make you lose weight on its own, but indirectly it can help with weight loss. By replacing higher calorie drinks with lemon water, you can lower circulating insulin and reduce insulin resistance. Insulin promotes weight gain, and one of the reasons some people can't lose weight is due to insulin resistance, which can also lead to diabetes. Now, timing matters too. Studies show that drinking water before meals is associated with a reduced total calorie intake. Other studies suggest lemon may increase feelings of fullness. You wouldn't believe the impact of swapping your juice, coffee, with milk or soda for lemon water. Not just once, but day after day. And multiply that by 10 years. Your weight will thank you. And as I mentioned, hydration boosts energy and regulates metabolism and digestion. What are the risks of lemon water for your health? What are the risks of drinking lemon water? Generally, lemon water is safe, but there can be some side effects. First, if you drink it on an empty stomach, you might experience gastritis, acid reflux, or even ulcers. As I said, lemon increases stomach acid, which can cause heartburn, and if you already have gastritis, can lead to ulcers. It can also erode tooth enamel. Citric acid can make your teeth more sensitive. No more ice cream or regular toothpaste. You'll have to buy Sensodyne. To limit the risk, drink lemon water through a straw or rinse your mouth right after. Should you drink lemon water hot or cold? Whatever you prefer. However, if you have constipation, warm lemon water might be better, since it has a mild laxative effect. How to prepare lemon water? Lemon water is simply lemon juice mixed with water. The amount of lemon juice depends on personal preference. It's usually half a lemon for a glass of water. Some people add a mint leaf, honey, turmeric, or other ingredients. Just be careful with honey, as it can counteract some of the benefits I mentioned.